Hi friends, it's been a really long time since we had a talk. So since this is an International Justice Day, I want to tell you something. You might know International Justice Day is observed on July 17th. It is also called International Crime Justice Day. You might be wondering why on this day, why July 17th, what is so special about July 17th? I'll tell you that. July 17 is the anniversary of adoption of Rome Statute, treaty which led to the establishment of International Crime Court back in 1998. When I said Rome Statute, you may be connecting your thought into some statues which is related to law and all, and probably the image came to your mind will be this. So the Rome Statute has nothing to do with this. Rome Statute look like this. This is more like a book, or we can say this is a bundle of written laws or legal agreement between two or more countries. So when back in 1998 this Rome Statute was adopted originally, thereafter many countries joined together and joined hand, thereafter established International Crime Court. Around the world, everyone, everywhere is observing July 17th as International Justice Day to promote justice around the world, to prevent crime and to promote rights of victims and to promote peace and humanity around the world. It's been really long time since we are started to observe International Justice Day on July 17th. And did that change anything? We don't have to talk about the world. We can talk about our country. Is our country so in peace? All the crime rates, the murders, the rapes, if we start from Asifa, the recent case of newborn were brutally beaten to death. All these crimes and the number of crime and the statistics of the crime in our country will make you upset. Probably there will be no single day which is passed by without having a single crime. Every day someone in somewhere is being victim of a crime, irrespective of gender, age, religion, race and all. All these factors has nothing to do with being a victim. No one born as a criminal. Being a criminal is a gradual process. It starts from little thing. It starts from telling a lie. Maybe. It starts from bullying your friend. It starts from stealing little things. It starts from mentally and physically hurting someone. It starts from verbally abusing your friend or someone else. As I said, being a criminal starts from little things. Have you ever thought of the reason behind the increasing number of crime? The truth is we can't give a single reason. That's the truth. There will be many reasons for this. Maybe biological reason, maybe psychological, maybe economical, maybe out of anger, maybe because jealous, maybe because to get pleasure, maybe because of drug use, maybe because of illiteracy, many reasons like this. Keeping all this aside, knowing that they are important, but still there is something else we want to talk about, which is lack of empathy. You might be wondering what is empathy is. Some may be heard of this word empathy. Some will be hearing this first time. Empathy is a skill. When I tell it is skill, you might think that it is a skill like cycling, swimming and all. It is a skill that understanding others and understanding other person from their position. മലയാളത്തിൽ പറയുകയാണെങ്കിൽ അവരുടെ ഭാഗത്തു നിന്ന് ചിന്തിക്കുക. It is a skill that we all must develop. It is nothing but thinking that what if I am in that situation. Every time when you start teasing your friend, when you start bullying your friend, when you start hurting your friend or verbally abusing your friend, think that what if you are in that situation. Do you feel fun? No, right? I know that when I tell this, some of you might think that what is the big deal in this? We are not committing any crime. We are just making fun, isn't it? As ma'am said, big crime start from little things. And one more thing to remember, one more thing to keep in your mind, that is, the way you feel won't be the way someone else feels. Everyone in this world is different. Everyone's thoughts, way of perceiving things, feelings, emotions are different. So keep this in your mind and respect that difference. As we do every year, just observing the day by making some videos, making some posters, being part of some quiz program and all. Apart from this, as someone says, change start from you. Be the change. Love, value and be kind to every humankind. No matter what color of skin they have, no matter what religion they are, no matter what age and gender they are, no matter how financially settled they are, and no matter where they live. Be kind to all human beings and be that change, because you people are the pillars of our country in the near future. You can do more. You can make changes. You can be the change. Take a moment, look at yourself, look back, listen to your thoughts, identify your mistakes and make corrections. The change start from there. Good day and thank you.